Welcome to Paige and Leanna's. Today, we're doing a battle of the 3-ingredient cookies. We're making 3-ingredient
Nutella,
3-ingredient
banana,
and 3-ingredient,
sugar cookies.
but in reverse order. Paige, what do you think is going to be the best one?
I mean, personally, I think Nutella is going to be the best.
Okay. I think sugar. May the best cookie win. We need 1/2 cup of butter, Paige. That's a whole stick, mother truckers. 1/3 cup of sugar. It had to be soft. Oh, she's angry. Also, preheat your oven to 325 degrees.
Adding the 1/3 cup of sugar.
Nice. Now I'm gonna cream the butter and sugar. It's creaming. Who I think our shout out should be Mitchell. The next thing we're gonna do is add a whole cup of flour.
Correct.
What should we listen to?
One Direction.
All these cookies, they're GF, babes. Gangster fried. Just kidding. Gluten free. It's getting real doughy in here. Shout out to Bethany Moda!
One Direction.
It's literally so disappointing. We love our subscribers.
Wait, did you just see that? That's fine.
This is what the dough looks like.
Ready?
Let's get our hands in there. Make some balls.
I can't keep track. Don't worry. FreshBooks can help you with time tracking. And if a client ever asks for backup,
$3.25 for 14 minutes. I'm adding 1/6 of a cup of maple syrup. Next, we're adding 1/2 cup of flour. Would you like to do that, Paigey? Oh, now we're making Nutella cookies. Now I'm gonna add the 1/2 of an egg. That looks disgusting. Now I'm adding some flour.
They look like snowballs.
The Nutella goes in for 10 minutes and the banana goes in for 12 minutes. So, what is this first cookie we'll be trying?
This is a 3-ingredient sugar cookie with sugar, flour, and butter.
Let's take a test, shall we?
Let's do it.
It's quite tender.
I like a bite from the middle, I think.
Seems a bit underbaked in the middle. But it's quite grainy. Good though.
Definitely a crunch.
So, 1 to 10, flavour.
I give it a 7.
I think an 8 on flavour.
Thank you.
Texture? I
give it a 5.
give it a 5. Would we leave it out for Father Christmas on Christmas Eve? You know,
It's hard to say.
I'd say yes. Okay, yes.
Thank you. Lemon.
I just love milk, freshly squeezed from an almond. All right, cookie number 2. What have we here?
Today I have for you a 3-ingredient Nutella cookie with Nutella, egg, and flour.
Nutella sounds interesting and like a cop-out option to me. Oh,
Be a little. Ciao.
cheers.
You know what this tastes like?
What?
Chocolate-covered almonds.
I disagree. To me, it tastes like a dry brownie that somebody forgot the sugar in. Flavor, I give it a 3 out of 10.
I don't really like it either. I'll give it a 4.
Texture, I give it another 3 out of 10.
It was quite sticky.
Quite sticky.
I give it a 3 as well.
And would I leave this cookie for Santa?
Absolutely,
Absolutely not. I would not disgrace Father Christmas in this way. Get out of my kitchen. Thank you for your time. Goodbye.
The best for last.
What is this? Is that a pancake?
Hello, today I have for you a banana cookie with banana, maple syrup, and flour.
Right then.
Back to it.
It's not the most beautiful presentation I've ever seen, but the texture does look promising.
Cannot judge a book by its cover.
Rightio, Paige.
It is. It kind of feels like a little spongy to me though.
Yes.
But I'm not mad about it.
Yes, let's try.
Cheers.
Cheers. It's quite bad.
It's quite terrible.
Do you know what that tastes like? That's like if you left a mashed up banana in your car and you let it sit there in the hot summer for 400 years. Get out of my kitchen.
I don't even think I can finish it.
I think I'm going to regurgitate. I quite like that sugar cookie.
Quite fancy it.
And this has been the 3-ingredient Cookie Wars. And the winner is 3-ingredient sugar cookies. Try it for yourself and leave it out for Father Christmas. Thank you for watching.
All right, Cookie!